In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about reviewing Monday.com's CRM platform for the year 25. Monday.com is well known for their work management tools, and today we'll dive into the intricacies of their CRM offering. First, we'll start by navigating to the platform itself. Open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. This will direct you to the homepage marked by their signature, vibrant interface. It's specifically designed to cater to work environments, making tasks more enjoyable and manageable. Once you've arrived on the homepage, the next logical step is to locate the Products tab. Clicking here will unveil a list of available tools and resources. From this dropdown, you'll want to focus on Monday CRM. This segment of the platform is tailor-made to optimize customer relationship management, a vital aspect of maintaining and growing business relations. As you continue, make your way to the section labeled CRM products within the Monday CRM section. Here, you'll find an overview of the different products offered to enhance your CRM experience. Exploring this area offers insight into the variety of features available that can be integrated into your workflow. Next, shift your attention to the Features section. This area provides a detailed breakdown of what the CRM can do. By investing a bit of time here, you'll become more familiar with the capabilities of Monday CRM, allowing you to decide which features align best with your business needs. After exploring the features, it's vital to keep up with the latest updates. Click on the What's New section to discover the newest enhancements and functionalities. Staying informed of recent changes helps you leverage the platform fully, as updates often incorporate user feedback and industry innovations. To further enhance your CRM setup, visit the Marketplace. This hub is a treasure trove of integrations and apps that complement the existing CRM system, enabling you to customize your experience to better fit your organizational needs. Investigate potential collaborations by visiting the Partners section. Here, you can discover partnerships that may offer additional services or products that integrate with Monday CRM, providing a seamless enhancement to your business operations. A comprehensive understanding of Monday CRM wouldn't be complete without exploring pricing options. Click on Pricing to find a plan that suits your budget and meets your business requirements without compromising on the features you need. With an exploration of Monday CRM, you're now ready to make informed decisions about which modules are best for streamlining your business processes. This intuitive platform not only helps you stay one step ahead, but also allows you to customize workflows in just minutes, saving you precious time. As you explore further, consider how these tools can maximize engagement with every contact, ensuring you manage everything effectively. In the fast-paced world of 2025, driving revenue swiftly and juggling pre-sales and post-sales processes all in one place is essential. By the end of this review, you'll be equipped to take Monday.com CRM's actionable insights and enhance your sales strategy with confidence.